Welcome to Divine API. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of testing the Janam Kundali API using Postman. If you're a developer looking to integrate Indian astrology-based birth chart calculations into your application or simply exploring the capabilities of this API, this step-by-step guide will help you get started with ease. Let's begin. Before testing the API, you'll need an API key for authentication. To get this, go to divineapi.com and log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for a 7-day free trial. Once you're logged in, navigate to the API key section in the dashboard. Here, you'll find both your API key and access token. Keep these handy because you'll need them for authentication in Postman. Now let's set up Postman. If you haven't logged in yet, do that first. Then, visit divineapi.com and scroll down to find the Postman collection link. Click on Run in Postman and you'll see an option to choose between Postman for Web or Postman for Windows. For this tutorial, we'll go with Postman for Web. Once you've made your selection, choose your preferred workspace and then click Import to add the Divine API collection to your Postman environment. If the import is successful, the Divine API Postman collection will appear on your screen. Now that Postman is ready, open the Indian Astrology API collection and select Kundali Planetary Positions. Make sure the HTTP method is set to post so that we can send a request. Click on the Authorization tab, and from the drop-down, select Bearer Token as the authentication type. Now go back to your Divine API dashboard, navigate to the API key section, and copy your access token. Return to Postman and paste the access token into the token field. Now let's enter the required details for the request. Click on the Body tab in Postman, where we will input the parameters. First, copy your API key from the Divine API dashboard and paste it into the API key field in Postman. Then, enter the birth details by specifying the day, month, and year. You will also need to enter the exact birth time using the hour and minute fields. To calculate the Kundali accurately, enter the latitude and longitude for the birth location. Lastly, ensure that you include the correct time zone offset based on the birth location. Once all these details are filled in, click Send, and you'll see the API response appear on the screen. The response will display detailed planetary positions at the time of birth, forming the foundation of the Kundali chart. If you run into any errors, double-check that your API key and access token are correctly entered. Most issues come from missing or incorrect authentication details. For a detailed step-by-step guide, you can find the article linked in the video description. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to our team at admin@divineapi.com. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Divine API tutorials. Thanks for watching.